Mark 11, verse 24. Therefore I say unto you, what things soever ye desire, when ye pray, believe that ye receive them, and ye shall have them. Ephesians 3, verses 16 to 17. That he would grant you, according to the riches of his glory, to be strengthened with might by his Spirit in the inner man, that Messiah may dwell in your hearts by faith, that he being rooted and grounded in love. Hebrews 11, verse 1. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. 2 Corinthians 5, verse 7. For we walk by faith, not by sight. Romans 15, verse 13. Now the Elohim of hope fill you with all joy and peace in believing, that ye may abound in hope through the power of the Holy Spirit. James 1, verse 6. But let him ask in faith, nothing wavering. For he that wavereth is like the wave of the sea, driven with the wind, and tossed. Hebrews 11, verse 6. But without faith it is impossible to please him, for he that cometh to Elohim must believe that he is, and he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. John 11, verse 40. Yahshua said unto her, Said I not unto thee, that if thou wouldest believe, thou shouldest see the glory of Elohim. 1 Peter 1, verses 8 to 9. Whom having not seen, he loved, in whom though now ye see him not, yet believing, yea, rejoice with joy unspeakable and full of glory, receiving the end of your faith, even the salvation of your souls. James 1, verse 3. Knowing this, that the trying of your faith worketh patience. Mark 9, verse 23. Yahshua said unto him, If thou canst believe, all things are possible to him that believeth. John 11, verses 25 to 26. Yahshua said unto her, I am the resurrection and the life. He that believeth in me, though he were dead, yet shall he live. And whatsoever liveth and believeth in me shall never die. Believest thou this? Romans 14, verse 1. He that is weak in faith receive ye, but not to doubt disputations. 1 John 5, verse 4. For whatsoever is born of Elohim overcometh the world, and this is the victory that overcometh the world, even our faith. 1 Timothy 6, verse 11. But thou, O man of Elohim, flee these things, and follow after righteousness, holiness, faith, love, patience, meekness. Mark 10, verse 52. And Yahshua said unto him, Go thy way, thy faith had made thee whole. And immediately he received his sight and followed Yahshua in the way. 1 Corinthians 13, verse 2. And though I have the gift of prophecy, and understand all mysteries, and all knowledge, and though I have all faith, so that I could remove mountains, and have not charity, I am nothing. Matthew 21, verse 22. And all things, whatsoever ye shall ask in prayer, believing, ye shall receive. John 6, verse 35. And Yahshua said unto them, I am the bread of life. He that cometh to me shall never hunger, and he that believeth on me shall never thirst. Psalms 119, verse 30. I have chosen the way of truth. Thy judgments have I laid before me. Hebrews 11, verse 11. Through faith also Sarah herself received strength to conceive seed, and was delivered of a child when she was past age, because she judged him faithful who had promised. Romans 10, verse 10. For with the heart man believeth unto righteousness, and with the mouth confession is made unto salvation. Galatians 3, verse 26 to 27. For ye are the children of Elohim by faith in Messiah Yahshua. For as many as you as have been baptized into Messiah, put on Messiah. Romans 1, verse 17. For therein is the righteousness of Elohim revealed from faith to faith, as it is written, the just shall live by faith. John 3, verse 16. For Elohim so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life.